How to change password on a BingX account. Welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change password on the BingX account. If you are looking to change your BingX account's password, whether for security reasons or because you've forgotten the old one, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. From the homepage of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on the profile picture at the top left corner. Once you end up in this expanded menu, go ahead and scroll down and click on Security Center. Under Security Center, scroll down and tap on Password. Here in the next page, go ahead and enter a new password you would like to change to for your BingX account. Once you are done typing down the new password, retype in the new password once again in the next field. Finally, under email verification that you see, click on Get Code and you'll now need to verify your email. Go open up your email and you'll receive an email from BingX. Click it open. Copy the code that you received inside the BingX email. Now, get back to the BingX application and paste in the email that you just copied inside the verification tab, and finally click OK at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password immediately. Now tap on Login, and next time while logging in, enter your email and then the new password that you just changed to. After typing it down, click on Login. You'll need to verify your email once again. Check your email inbox. Copy the security code or the verification code, get back to BingX and paste in the code. Finally, click on the OK button and you have successfully logged in with the newly updated password. And that's how you can easily do it. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to share it with others who use BingX. Stay safe, trade smart, and thanks for following along.